Set designers are responsible for creating the visual look of a stage, film, or TV production. They work closely with directors and production teams to design and build sets that match the artistic vision of a project. This involves sketching ideas, making models, and overseeing the construction of sets. They need to think about practical details, such as how the set will be used by actors and whether it fits within the production's budget. Set designers often work in theaters, film studios, or on location, and their role is crucial in bringing stories to life. Entry-level designers may earn around £18,000 to £25,000 per year, while those with more experience can make between £30,000 and £50,000. Highly skilled designers working on major theatre productions, films, or TV shows may earn even more. Many set designers work on a freelance basis, meaning their income can change from project to project. A degree in theatre or production design is useful, but some people gain experience through college courses, apprenticeships, or stage crew work. Strong drawing skills, creativity, and knowledge of materials and construction methods are important. Many set designers build up a portfolio of their work to show potential employers and may start as assistants before moving into senior roles.